Hi, everybody. I apologize. I won't be on camera today. I have a bad cold and I'm really congested, but I wanted to jump on here and show you the cute little items that I found last weekend when my husband and I went to the windmill in Penn Yan, New York. And I also want to show you how I decorated my pie safe for Christmas. It looks so cute and I'm excited to show you. I bought 2 of the black lamps and they were a really great deal at $21.95 each. I like how it has the grapevine wrapped around it. It has the primitive star and they're really nice sized. And if you'd like to see how I plan to decorate with them, I hope you'll continue watching my Christmas decorating series. And if you'd like to see all of my Christmas decorating videos, I've started a playlist. It will be updated every time I post a new Christmas video, and I will always link those, the playlist and the video below in my description box. These lampshades match really nice. They're 12-inch. They're perfect size for these lamps. I paid $20.95 for each of the lampshades. I also bought this red lamp with the black lampshade. My husband and I both loved the red lamps, but they only had one of the black lampshades. So I bought the 2 black lamps, and after I bought those, I ran back and got this one because I knew that once I got home, I was going to regret not buying the red one. And I was afraid to just buy red lamps and not this one lampshade because I was afraid that once I got home and started looking, I wouldn't be able to find 2 matching buffalo check lampshades like this. This little lamp's adorable, very country. I paid $26 for this, and I love how it has the pit berries and the little star already attached. It also has a little burlap bow, and it also has the primitive star. I know it's probably hard for you to tell, and this is painted black, but I really like this, and it's definitely going to be a nice little addition to decorate with. This is a smaller lampshade. It's an 8-inch, and I picked it up because I do have a couple little lamps that I thought this would look nice with, and this one was $15.95 for this size. And as you can see, the pattern of the buffalo check is also a lot smaller. And I also bought some pitberry garland. The pitberry garland was at a fantastic price. It was 2 for $20, or you could buy 1 strand for $13.95. So the first 2 that I'm showing you, I bought 2 of that one, and then I bought 1 of each of the other one because I just wanted to mix it up just a little bit. And I really like the ones that have the stars. I think the stars just give it a more primitive look. I just really like that. So I wish these other ones, the other garlands, also had the stars, but unfortunately they didn't. And I also want to mention that the decorating part of this video, I'm going to set it to music because it is very difficult to talk. And I just think it'll be more enjoyable.
Come on.